Now this is how you can right click on a MacBook. Let's get into it. Now naturally we are using the trackpad to perform the right clicks, right? But it might not be even enabled software wise. So that is really important. So at first, at the beginning, just locate the system settings and just on the left panel, scroll all the way towards the bottom and find the trackpad. And as you can see in here, we have so many different things and options to customize, but one of them is the one called secondary click. And a secondary click is essentially right click, it's just a different term for it. So in this section, you want to ensure that it is set to something at least, because it might be turned off completely, which I don't completely understand, right? So right click is really useful, so I don't know why someone would have it turned off, but it might be the case by default or whatever. So ensure that you have some options selected, and right now it is up to you to decide how it's going to be triggered. I like to have it with click or tap with two fingers. For me, it's practical that way, but you can also just choose to click in the bottom right corner of your trackpad to enable the right click, or in the bottom left as well. That might be useful too. So just choose whichever option you want, and therefore you already know how you can access it, right? As I said, I like to just press with my two fingers, and if secondary click is available, then some more options will appear right there. So I feel and think that this is the best option. Obviously choose whichever one you like, but now you basically know how you can right click on your MacBook. So that's how it works. Hit the thumbs up on the video to let me know if you liked it. Subscribe so you don't miss videos like these where we dive directly to the point. Subscribe, as I said, and I'll see you in the next video.